Are you looking for the best sublimation printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best sublimation printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2760. The Epson EcoTank ET2760 is a wireless all-in-one color printer that offers printing, scanning, and copying functions without using traditional cartridges. It features high-capacity refillable EcoTank ink bottles for black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, providing up to 6,000 color pages per refill and significantly lowering the cost per print. The printer supports Wi-Fi connectivity, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria print service for mobile printing, and includes a 1.44-inch color LCD touchscreen, automatic two-sided printing, and a 100-sheet input tray. Its flatbed scanner delivers up to 2400 by 1200 dpi resolution, but it lacks an automatic document feeder and duplex scanning. While the EcoTank ET2760 is cost-efficient and environmentally friendly, its print speeds are modest and photo quality is decent but not exceptional. Buyers in Bangladesh should check for voltage compatibility, warranty coverage, and possible shipping or import duties when ordering internationally. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR4520. The Canon PIXMA TR4520 is a compact wireless all-in-one printer that provides printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities, making it suitable for home and small office use. It delivers high-quality photo prints with a resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi and accurate color reproduction, while also producing decent text documents. The printer supports Wi-Fi, Apple AirPrint, Mopria print service, and Amazon Alexa for convenient mobile and voice-activated printing. It features a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, for efficient multi-page scanning and copying, automatic duplex printing to save paper, and a compact design that fits limited spaces. While print speeds are moderate, approximately 8.8 IPM for black and 4.4 IPM for color, and standard ink cartridges may need frequent replacement, the TR4520 offers a versatile, reliable, and space-saving printing solution for everyday home or small office tasks. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2750. The Epson EcoTank ET2750 is a wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for home and small office use. It offers printing, scanning, and copying functions without the need for traditional ink cartridges, utilizing a cartridge-free ink system with supersized, easy-to-fill ink tanks. The printer comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box, allowing users to print up to 5,200 color pages and 6,500 black and white pages before needing a refill. This setup is equivalent to about 30 ink cartridge sets, leading to significant cost savings over time. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 wireless color all-in-one super tank printer in white is a compact, cost-effective, and eco-friendly solution for home users. It eliminates the need for traditional ink cartridges by using refillable ink tanks, which come pre-filled to print up to 4,500 black and white pages and 7,500 color pages, significantly lowering the cost per print. The printer delivers high-quality output with a maximum resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi and ISO print speeds of up to 10.5 ppm for black and white and 5 ppm for color. It supports wireless printing via Wi-Fi Direct, allowing easy printing from smartphones and tablets, and features a 1.44-inch color LCD for navigation. In addition to printing, it includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner for documents and photos. While it lacks an automatic document feeder and automatic duplex printing, the ET2720's compact design, low operating costs, and reliable performance make it a practical choice for home offices or small spaces. Number 5. ScanSnap 91600. The Fujitsu ScanSnap 91600 is a versatile high-speed document scanner designed for personal and small office use, offering both wireless and USB connectivity. It features a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for intuitive operation, allowing users to scan documents, photos, and receipts directly to cloud services, mobile devices, or desktop applications without needing a PC. The scanner can process up to 40 pages per minute, 80 images per minute for double-sided documents, with an optical resolution of 600 dpi, ensuring high-quality scans. It includes a 50-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, for continuous multi-page scanning and integrates with ScanSnap home software for easy organization, editing, and management of scan files. Additional features like red-eye reduction and automatic cropping enhance photo scanning quality, making the 9-1600 a reliable and efficient solution for individuals and small businesses seeking a fast, user-friendly scanning experience.